Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check Snapchat best fingers, and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application, and we're going to head on over to our chats. In the case that you do have the best friend icon, which is located here at the top, you're going to tap on it and you're going to see all the best friends that you do have. In the case that you don't have, you can try chatting with somebody for some period, and Snapchat will automatically add them to your best friend list, since they are the only people that you are chatting with most of the time. Another thing that you can actually do is to go and upgrade your Snapchat by heading over to the Snapchat Plus, and you're going to tap on the hashtag one best friend, or you can just decide to upgrade your Snapchat, which will also come with the best friend option. Once you tap on next, and you can decide to choose either a monthly plan or an annual plan, which is going to be free for the first 1 week. Then you're going to be paying 700 Kenyan shillings per year, or you can just decide to pay for 70 Kenyan shillings per month, or you're going to choose 840 Kenyan shillings per year. And once you've already paid, you're going to enjoy the Snapchat Plus. And to do this, for watching this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.